Hey guys, today we are solving one of the LeetCode problem is combination sum 2. Give me a collection of candidate numbers and a target number. Find all unique combinations in candidates where the candidate's number sum to target. This is the node. Solution set must contain a duplicate combination. See the examples. Candidates is equal to 10, 1, 2, 7, 6, 5 and we can target is 8. So we can solve this problem. Let's go to the video. Hi guys, my name is Vijay and welcome back to Tech with Vijay. Let's take input candidates equal to 10, 1, 2, 7, 6, 5 and target is 8. Of which 8 will come. Here I can see output. What is 1 plus 1 plus 6 we get 8, 1 plus 2 plus we get 8, 1, 7 we get 8, 2, 6 we can get. CS means combination sum. These are the 4 combinations we have held to write the code. Now let's consider this is combination number 2. 2, 5, 2, 1, 2 and target is 5. And these are the constraints. 1 less than or equal to candidates, length less than or equal to 100, equal to 50 and 1 less than or equal to target less than or equal to 50. That means I can use DFS method. DFS stands for depth first search and I can use TGT. TGT means TGT stands for return to target recursive values. And sort means you can use a sorting technique to find the duplicate values in the string import list. Then I can write a class solution. The solution we can write def combination self list t. Then I can write c dot means that means sorting the technique. And result equal to empty square brackets. And def I can use a DFS method. The DFS I can write s, path, TGT. If TGT equal to 0, I can in the single I can write result dot append. In the parentheses I can write path. That means body of the path will execute in this code. Then I can return. Next I can use for loop. Why for loop? For loop is used for range level of values. That means for I in range, in the range I can write s, length of c. C means the number of characters we can take. That means candidates. If I greater than s and c of I equal to C of I minus 1. Yes, C of I minus 1, candidate minus 1. Then continue. But again we can take if condition. If candidate of I greater than TGT, that means I can give break. Next I can write, I can use the DFS method. Depth first search of I plus 1, path plus C of I, TGT minus candidate of I. Here we can give some spaces here. Next I can write DFS of 0, empty square bracket and t. Then return the result. Return a result. Let's remove space here and again we run the code. we get we get the input. That means no error held in this code. Let's submit the code. That is the simple and easy code in combination sum 2. This is a simple logic here. We can use depth first search. Also you can use backtracking, recursion techniques to solve this problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Tech with Vijay guys. If you have any doubt, please tell me in the comment box. Bye.